How to fix WhatsApp backup stuck. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as if the connection is slow, WhatsApp backup might get stuck. See if that helps, and if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, make sure that you have enough storage space in your iPhone as well as in your iCloud for the backup to complete. And if the backup is still stuck, you can simply try to restart your iPhone and then try to reopen the backup and see if that helps after the restart. If not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar you see there and search for WhatsApp, and make sure that WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version. And if not, then update the app, as sometimes an outdated version can lead to backup being stuck. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings and then tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and make sure that you are connected to the correct Apple ID, that the iCloud drive is enabled. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then open settings again and scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option and then tap on WhatsApp. Here, go ahead and make sure these permissions are enabled, and if not, then you might be required to enable these permissions. Also, if you have battery saver or low power mode enabled, then you will need to go ahead and disable it. Finally, open WhatsApp again and then tap on the U option or the settings option on the bottom right, and then tap on the chats option you see there. Here, tap on chat backup again and then go ahead and tap on backup now option again, and by now the backup should happen. If not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the WhatsApp application and then tap on remove app and then on delete app. Delete the WhatsApp application and reinstall the app again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp backup stuck. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.